Hello and welcome to the Vanilla System Guide. Now we will look together at the various differences between the Vanilla System widgets. By clicking on Vanilla System in the toolbar, we can see the various widgets, including the Camera Manager, the Animation Manager, and the Global Settings. In Global Settings, we will manage all the global settings of our Vanilla, such as the World Position Offset, which is the position of our real world within the virtual world, the Capture section in Editor or in Runtime, the Synchronization section to synchronize our engine with timecode and with Genlock, and the Garbage Matte section, where we can set our Garbage Matte actor, which is the representation of our green screen within the virtual world, and give it an offset to position it correctly. In Camera Manager, you can manage the settings of your cameras. By pressing the plus button, we will add a camera to our project. In the first section, we have Source Fill, where we can set the camera inputs. In the Source Key section, we can set an input for the camera if we are using an external keyer, like Ultimate, or you can set the internal key if you want to use the internal keyer of Vanilla System. In Output Composition, you can set the output settings for your camera, whether you want it to output in NDI, Decklink, or AJA. In the Camera Positioning section, you can set all the settings regarding the position of your camera within the virtual world. Referential offset is the distance between a known 0 point within your studio and the center of the tracker placed on top of your camera. Tracker offset is the distance between the center of the tracker placed on your camera and the center of the camera sensor. Once you have set these settings for your cameras, you will have the perfect representation with the correct positions of the real cameras in the virtual world. But if you would like to change the position for just a single camera, like a fake position, this is possible in the Position Override area. The Position Override does not affect the functions of the Garbage Mate or interfere with these functionalities on other cameras. In the Garbage Mate section, you can activate or deactivate the Garbage Mate. In the Tracking section, you can pair your tracker with your camera, and in the Lens section, load the calibration file of ULens. If your tracker is sending signals, for example, from the iris, but there isn't an encoder sending the iris signals, you can go to the Tracker Override section to disable only the signals coming from the iris and set them manually in the setting below. The same applies, for example, to the sensor size or the focus distance.